आपसे पूछूं इन सीन्स में क्या सिमिलैरिटीज हैं, आप क्या कहेंगे? दिस आइकॉनिक सीन फीचरिंग ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन फ्रॉम द मूवी चोखेर बाली, the opening scenes of Bulbul, a supernatural thriller on Netflix, and these scenes featuring Tabu from the movie Namesake. It's Alta, a bright red dye seen on the feet and palms of the women. It's typically used to depict Bengali culture, और ये symbolize करता है marriage और fertility को. But now it's been revolutionized through its use in fashion. Welcome to the Fashion Reset. Alta was originally derived from lac, and the earliest references of it can be found dating back to when Lord Krishna was seen applying Mahavar, a bright red dye, on his beloved Radha's feet. Alta का सबसे ज़्यादा significance Bengali community में है. Alta 16 श्रृंगार का भी हिस्सा है और the 16 ornaments written about in the Hindu Upanishads, which are said to enhance a woman's beauty and are also part of a Hindu bride's trousseau. But Alta is rooted in patriarchy. Alta is traditionally associated with femininity, fertility, beauty, and marital bliss. Brides wear it on their wedding day as a symbol of marital status and prosperity. A popular wedding ritual in Bengal involves a new bride dipping her feet in Alta and walking on a white sheet or cloth while entering her husband's home for the first time. घर के अंदर जाते हुए इन पैरों के निशान देवी लक्ष्मी के पैर दर्शाता है. In certain dance forms like Odissi, the dye accentuates hand movements or mudras, adding grace and fluidity. और इसी आलता को आपने काफी सारी बॉलीवुड मूवीज में भी देखा होगा. Alta was used to depict loyalty of the leading lady Paro in the movie Devdas, played by Aishwarya Rai. In the same movie, Aishwarya and Madhuri danced to the song Dola Re Dola while sporting Alta on their palms. और यही नहीं, in the last moments of the film, Aishwarya Rai spills the Alta while she runs towards her lover on hearing about his illness. Netflix पे Bulbul, a horror thriller, also shows Alta being worn by many women in different sequences of the movie. In Namesake, the Alta signifies a newly married status of Tabu. This dye can also be spotted in various songs and choreographies. In the cult song Bidi Jalaile from the movie Omkara, Bipasha Basu's feet were also adorned with Alta. Even Deepika Padukone sported Alta on her palms while dancing to Mohe Rang Do Lal from the movie Bajirao Mastani. In both of these, in a shift from showing Bengali culture, Alta only adds sensuality and grace to the dancers' movements. But through its reimagination in fashion, Alta को एक नई पहचान मिली है, devoid of its patriarchal shackles. Pushpak Sen, a fashion enthusiast, conceptualized and styled a campaign for Poroma, a clothing brand, in association with Calvin Klein jeans.
In that particular story, the red Alta signifies passion, love, desire, and the fact that you can transgress from one particular notion of gender identity into another. And I think it's a great idea to also preserve culture but also take away the narrative of like being problematic in the past.
In one of designer Sabyasachi's photo shoots, models adorned Alta from their fingertips to their wrists. It almost looked like an extension of their red ornate blouses. In a shift from the usual use of just fingertips, Alta in these photo shoots were all over their hands. Sabyasachi ने आलता को टिपिकल बंगाली यूज से हटाकर उसको पेयर किया था डीप नेक ब्लाउजेस लहंगा चोलीज के साथ, और इसी के साथ आलता को मिला एक कंटेम्पररी ट्विस्ट. डिजाइनर तोरानी ने भी आलता को यूज किया एक नए स्टाइल में. In its campaign, The Seven Sacred Sins, women of all age groups, of different body types, and even trans women sported the red dye. Alta here added a sense of desire and grace in the shots. Alta has had a historically and culturally rich journey so far, but it is even more interesting to see how it will be used in the years to come. और अगर आपके पास भी कोई आलता से जुड़ी कहानियां हैं, do tell us in the comments below.